Editing text in the design editor is relatively easy. Just select the text that you want to edit. From here, you can change any of the text inside of the box. If I want to change this word, I can just retype it. You have an assortment of tools located above the text box. These can be used for some standard text changes. On the left side, you'll also notice you can change the fill color of the text. This will either apply to your selection or can apply to the entire box. You could change the font. You can send the item up or down and the layers on the screen. You can use this to align it to the canvas if you want to get it just in the right spot. Within text, you also have the option to adjust transparency, letter spacing, or your line height, or even add a drop shadow. If you don't like the changes you've made, you can also use the undo tool located at the top of the screen. And that's how you edit text.